Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Maths Mania. This is Manisha. Today I am bringing some interesting topics. So, any guesses? It's odd and even number and prime and composite numbers. And we are going to do some question and answers and some quizzes maybe. But before we get started, I want you all to support me so I can post more videos like this, and you really don't need me to pay for this. You just have to like, subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon. When you guys show support, that makes the mentor more enthusiastic and creative. So, not making it more late, let's start with odd and even numbers. You know friends, number system is also classified as odd and even numbers, prime and composite numbers. So let's start with odd and even numbers. Odd number is any integer that cannot be exactly divided by 2 is called an odd number, or we can say that odd number is any number which is not divisible by 2. This means it will leave remainder when divided by 2. Remember that odd number never comes in the table of 2. This means it is not divisible by 2. For example, 5, 29, 13, minus 17, 81, etc. All these numbers are not divisible by 2. Let's take an example of 13. When 13 is divided by 2, it leaves remainder 1. This means it is not exactly divisible by 2, so it is an odd number. Let's take another example of 29. When 29 is divided by 2, it also leaves remainder. This means this is not divisible by 2, so this is an odd number. Last digit of odd number will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 only. As these numbers cannot be exactly divided by 2, that's why these are odd numbers. Let's take examples. The last digit of all these numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So this makes them odd numbers. Next one is even numbers. Even number is any integer that can be divided exactly by 2, or you can say any number when divided by 2 leaves no remainder. It means remainder is 0. Keep in mind, all those numbers which comes in table of 2 are even numbers. For example, 18, 24, minus 6, 10, minus 42, etc. Let's take 24. When 24 is divided by 2, it leaves no remainder. It means it is exactly divisible by 2 and remainder is 0. So this is an even number. Let's take another example of 18. When 18 is divided by 2, it leaves no remainder, which means it is exactly divisible by 2, so it is an even number. The last digit of even number shows 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 only. Numbers other than these are odd numbers. Example of even numbers are 20, 44, minus 86, 108, minus 122, etc. The last digit of all these numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 only. So these are even numbers. So I'm going to give some numbers on the screen and you have to find out which are even numbers and which are odd numbers. But before giving answers, must check the last digit of the numbers. Giving you 10 seconds, it starts now. Let's check the answer. Numbers having last digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. So put all those numbers under odd numbers heading. So these numbers are minus 33, 71, 93, 85, 19, minus 99, minus 67. All these numbers are odd numbers. And last digit of even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So 46, 108, minus 162, 20, 14. All these numbers are even numbers. Now I believe you guys have learned odd and even numbers. Do you know, friends, what is the outcome when we add or subtract even number with even number, odd number with odd number, or even with odd number, or odd with even number? Let's check out. First, if we add or subtract even with even, the result will be even. For example, 2 plus 4 equals to 6. 2 and 4 are both even and the result is also even, that is 6. Now take the example of subtraction. 10 minus 8 equals to 2. 10 and 8 are both even and the result is also even, that is 2. Second, if we add or subtract odd with odd, the result will be even. For example, 9 plus 3 equals to 12. 9 and 3 are both odd but the result will be even, that is 12. Now take the example of subtraction. 15 minus 13 equal to 2. 15 and 13 are both odd numbers and the result is even, that is 2. Third, if we add or subtract odd with even, it gives odd results. For example, 7 plus 2 equals to 9. Here 7 is odd number, 2 is even number. When we add both number, it gives an odd result, that is 9. Let's take example of subtraction. 15 minus 10 equals to 5. Here 15 is odd number, 10 is even number, and when we subtract, 5 is the result, that is odd number. Fourth, if we add or subtract even with odd, it gives odd result. For example, 12 plus 5 equals to 17. Here 12 is even number, 5 is odd number, and the result is odd number, that is 17. Let's take example of subtraction. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Here 4 is even number, 3 is odd number, and the result is odd, that is 1. So these are the results when we add or subtract even with even, odd with odd, or even with odd, or odd with even numbers. Let's do a quick revision. Odd number is any number which is not divisible by 2 and leaves remainder. Last digit of odd number will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. For example, 13, 27, 29, etc. Even number is any number which is exactly divisible by 2 and it leaves no remainder. The last digit of even number will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, minus 8, 16, 24, etc. Hey guys, thanks for watching Maths Mania. I hope you like it. I will explain prime and composite number in next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and do press the bell icon.